Hello there everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Are you ready to sign up and create your first UpScrolled account? If yes, then here is how you do it. To sign up and create your first UpScrolled account, open your UpScrolled application on your smartphone. If you don't have the application yet, download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and install it. Once it's installed, open the app to launch it. Now the first interface of UpScrolled will look like this. To start signing up, tap on Create Account. On the next page, write down your name in the first field. Now, go to the next field, enter a valid email address. After doing so, head over to the next field and enter your date of birth. Finally, click on the square box at the bottom and tap next to the bottom right. On the next page, create a password for your account. After entering the password that matches the criteria given below, tap Next. You'll now receive a verification code on your registered email. Click next at the bottom right and wait for the code. Open up your email service provider's inbox and open the email from UpScrolled. Now, copy the code that has been given. Get back to the UpScrolled app and paste in the code or manually type it down. Once you are done, click Verify at the bottom right. On the next page, enter a handle for yourself. If it is available after typing it, click on Sign Up at the bottom right. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications. If you want to allow notification right now, tap on Allow. If not, tap on Don't Allow. Finally, you'll land in the home page of UpScrolled. From here, you can create your first scroll. Tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to start your first UpScrolled creation. You can add text, photos, videos, etc. So that's how you officially create your UpScrolled account. Now you're ready to start creating scrolls, sharing tips, and posting tutorials that looks clean and professional. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.